Hi everyone, so today we will be learning how we can convert any text to images using giving a prompt to Pixoate AI image editor. So at pixoate.com. So I will over here write something. Let's say write beautiful child holding flowers, beach, sunlight, playing with other kids. So I have done. I will just click on this generate image. Let's wait for the results. So you can see, so we got this image and then we can simply download from here. We can do other lot of stuff. We want multiple or one. So let's say I download this one. Let's wait for a while. It will actually upscale this image and give me the high quality image. Yeah, you can see, so it has given us high quality image. Then we can go to photo editor for further enhancement. We can add contrast, brightness according to our needs. Let's say I want little bit less contrast and I want subtle saturation to be little bit more or less. You can do according to your needs. Then maybe you can want to remove the background. You can also do that. You can use AI tools and all that stuff. So we hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.